Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Authenticator for 2FA with Office 365, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. You can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app to get started. Next, navigate to your computer and open a web browser. Go to the Office 365 sign-in page and enter your email address. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password and click Sign In. If this is your first time setting up two-factor authentication, a message will appear. Select the option to set up your Authenticator app. A QR code will be displayed. Now, return to the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus sign or Add Account option within the app. Choose Work or School account from the list. The app will ask you to scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, your Office 365 account will be added to the app. You will see a verification code generated for your account. Return to your computer and enter this verification code in the prompt. Click Verify to confirm the setup. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can now close the setup window on your computer. To further secure your account, you may also want to set up additional backup methods. Consider adding a backup phone number or an alternate email address for recovery. This step is crucial in case you lose access to your mobile device. Now your Microsoft Authenticator app is fully set up for two-factor authentication with Office 365. You are now better protected against unauthorized access to your account. Keep your Microsoft Authenticator app updated for optimal security. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.